In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the country on your eBay account, step by step. This straightforward process can be especially useful if you've recently moved to a new location or if you're traveling and need to adjust your account settings accordingly. So, let's dive in and walk through each part of the process. First off, open up your preferred web browser and type in eBay in the search bar. Press enter and hey presto, your search results will appear. Next, you'll want to click on the first result, which should take you directly to the eBay homepage. Once you're on eBay's main page, glance over to the upper left corner. There you'll see a sign in button. Click on it and you'll be prompted to log in. If you're not already logged in, enter your eBay credentials to access your account. With access granted, you'll notice a drop-down arrow next to My eBay at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on this arrow, which will give you a menu of options. From this menu, select Summary. This is where all your account settings and preferences are located. In the Summary section, direct your attention to the menu on the left and look for Account. Clicking this will take you into more detailed account settings. Now, within this account section, you'll see a choice labeled Personal Information. This is your next stop. As you enter your personal information settings, scroll down a bit until you spot the section dedicated to your personal info. Here, you will find an option to edit this information. So click Edit. Now, you should see various fields related to your personal details. What you're looking for is the section that concerns your country or region. Once found, you can click on this to open a list or a drop-down menu of available countries. Now, for the part that really matters, choose your desired country or region from the list. Make sure to select the correct location, as this is crucial for ensuring accurate eBay settings and information tailored to your new location. After you've made your selection, it's time to confirm these changes. Look for the Save button, usually found towards the bottom of the page. Clicking Save finalizes your changes, updating your eBay account to your selected country. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through changing your country settings on eBay. It's a simple process, but knowing how to do it can significantly enhance your user experience by providing access to region-specific features and listings. Keep this guide handy, and you'll be ready to adjust your settings whenever the need arises. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping on eBay.